Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best 100-watt solar panels that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Renogy Monocrystalline Off-Grid Portable Foldable Solar Panel. If you are in the market for an easy-to-set-up, yet powerful 100-watt solar panel, then this just might be your best option. It is able to operate at a high maximum voltage in amps while at Pmax, which helps to make it one of the most efficient solar panels on the market. It is also relatively lightweight, making it a great possibility for anyone looking for a portable solar panel that they can take down whenever it isn't in use. What really sets this particular panel apart, however, from all of the other models on the market is its high compatibility with different types of batteries. No matter what type of battery or vehicle you intend to use these panels for, whether it be sealed, lithium, gel, or flooded, you should have no issue whatsoever. This high level of compatibility makes these some of the most versatile panels you can buy. The controller that comes with this purchase is also of the highest quality. It is effortless to read, so you are getting the correct level of electricity to keep your batteries charged or keep your equipment running efficiently. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Renogy Monocrystalline Photovoltaic Solar Panel Module. Renogy has long built an excellent reputation in the world of solar panels based on their panels' high quality and power output. These panels are no exception. In fact, they are capable of producing the higher number of amps and volts at Pmax of any of the solar panels that we looked into. If you are looking for a solar panel that can produce a ton of electric power for all of your devices, then these are a great option. Something else that helps to make these panels a sound investment is their durable design. The outer frame is made of corrosion-resistant aluminum. Even though this frame provides plenty of stability and protection against the elements and drops, it is still quite lightweight. This protective frame helps to make these extremely tough, which, in turn, makes them an excellent option for permanent installation, even though they are light enough to put up and take down each time you need them. The package also includes a set of connectors, which are just long enough to make it easy to connect your setup. The only issue with these otherwise wonderfully durable connectors is that they are, unfortunately, somewhat hard to use. The clips on them are very tight, which makes opening and closing them quite difficult. The flip side of this issue, of course, is that once they are hooked up, they are not very likely to come undone, which is definitely a positive. At number 3, we have the WindyNation solar panel. This is another awesome option when it comes to a solar panel kit. It, like the set from SUAOKI above it, comes with pretty much everything that you need. It has a charge controller, connectors, and mounting brackets. Unlike the SUAOKI, it does include a controller but lacks a battery, so if you don't have it, you might want to get one separately. Of course, that will add a bit to the purchase price, so make sure you keep that in mind before you make your final decision. Something else that helps to set this particular kit apart from its competitors is how easy it is to install. It comes with a set of easy-to-use mounting brackets, which make hooking it up to your vehicle a breeze. Not only that, but the installation instructions in the included manual are very clear. These instructions are extremely precise and should allow pretty much anyone, even those who are not particularly handy, to install these panels easily. The panels are also nice and large, which allows them to soak up plenty of power throughout the day. They are also pretty lightweight. You could probably use these as a more portable option, though they work best as a permanently installed system. At number 2, we have the DOKIO Monocrystalline Foldable Solar Panel. One of the biggest complaints that the solar industry as a whole faces is that panels are still too expensive. This high cost is the reason that so many people are unwilling or unable to switch over from their gas-powered generators. Thankfully, as solar technology continues to improve, this is starting to become less and less of an issue. These panels, for instance, are quite budget-friendly. Even if you don't have a ton of extra spending money available to you, these make getting a solar system up and running much more affordable. Though these panels are much cheaper than other models, that doesn't mean that they aren't a quality product. Of all the different panels that we looked into, these can offer the highest amp level at Pmax, which is quite impressive for such a cheap set of panels. As you would expect with such a light set of panels, these are designed to be highly portable. They have a built-in suitcase design that makes transporting them nice and easy. They only weigh about 5 pounds, which is another reason they are so portable. One thing that you will need to keep in mind with this set, however, is that they are not very durable. Their case and the panels themselves are actually quite fragile, and won't hold up under rough treatment or wet conditions. If you do decide to purchase these panels, just be sure to take them down when they are not in use. It would also be a good idea to keep them stowed in a safe and secure spot so that they don't suffer any accidental damage. And finally at number 1, we have the SUAOKI Monocrystalline Flexible Cell. If you are in the market for a smaller-sized panel for your boat, RV, or especially for your van, then this panel just might be your best bet. To start with, this panel is quite lightweight, weighing in at only 5 pounds. Even though it is so light, this is a surprisingly thick and durably designed model, making it great for traveling in confined spaces with limited storage. Even if you accidentally drop this panel, it shouldn't suffer any damage thanks to its thick and tough design. Something else that makes this such a good choice is its bendable nature. Since you can bend this panel a bit, it makes it easier to find the right angle of the sun, no matter what time of day it is. Since you can bend it, you can be sure to get the sun's energy concentrated precisely where you want it to be, which will result in a much more efficient level of energy production. Even though this panel would probably work best in a portable setup, it is also quite simple to get it installed permanently. It has pre-drilled mounting holes, which takes all of the guesswork out of getting it set up properly. The only real issue with this model is that its controller is quite hard to read. The display is not very clear, which could result in you sending more energy to your batteries than you would want to, which could be a big problem. You might want to consider replacing the controller that comes with this panel so that you can make certain you have it set correctly. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.